Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect email? Are you struggling to come up with engaging subject lines and compelling content? Well, fear not, AI Intellect is here to help. With Intellect, you can create professional and effective emails in just a matter of minutes. Let's take a look at how it works. Once you've logged into your Intellect account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can choose from a variety of email templates to get you started. Whether you need a newsletter, a promotional email, or a simple follow-up message, we've got you covered. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be taken to the email editor. Here you can customize the content of your email to make it truly unique. But what really sets Intellect apart is our AI-powered writing assistant. With just a few clicks, you can generate engaging subject lines and compelling email content that is sure to grab your audience's attention. And the best part? The intuitive interface is user-friendly and straightforward, making it accessible to anyone who wants to create professional-looking emails that get results. So what are you waiting for? Sign up to Intellect today and start creating professional and effective emails in just minutes. AI Intellect, your secret weapon for email customer service success. Join the AI revolution.